Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a Christmas tree with balloons. Let's go on together. For this I'll be using an IKEA lampstand, 12-inch balloons, 5-inch balloons and 260 balloons. This is a sizer and I'm using to get the different sizes of the balloons to give different layers here. Now I have them in different sizes and paired them up. You can see the base, and then we have the ones that will be used for the decoration. This particular tree was the balloons was inflated in one location and taken to another location to set up. So this is the setting up. I'm putting up the base first, but in between I'll be accessorizing it with the 5-inch balloons. So I'm putting in the decorations in between from the base. This is because I had tried the other method of first putting the base and decorating it afterwards, but I didn't like the end result, so I decided to do it this way, upward. That is, as I'm putting the base, the green ones, I'm accessorizing them, that is decorating them immediately with the colored balloons, that's with the red, gold and silver, all the way to the top. I prefer it this way because I had tried the other method of putting it after and I didn't like the result. It was not well arranged. I didn't like the outcome. So that's why I used this method of going to decorate it as we move up. So basically that's it, everyone. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.